Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos from me, which market analyst at Hantec markets on Thursday, 6th of December. Let's have a look at cable, which again, I suppose similar-ish to the euro dollar, but I think there is more of a negative bias to cable. But you look at the candlesticks in the last couple of days, they are very small bodied candles, which would suggest little real direction, but there is an undoubted sort of negative bias given the fact that the market is still trending lower in effect. But look at the momentum, nothing really doing on the RSI at all, still holding above 40, MACD line still sort of basically flat. Stochastics have actually turned up, so I don't think this is really I mean, there's not a great deal of direction to speak of, and you would still argue that there is a gravitation towards 126.60, which is the key floor over the last few months, and that level has held this week on a couple of sort of tests intraday in the last couple of sessions. But I mean, you wouldn't really want to be buying sterling at the moment, certainly given Brexit and given the fact that any sort of intraday rallies on sterling in the last few days have continually been sold into. Look at these initial spikes, these are all Brexit related spikes, higher, and then you get the retracement moves. Higher retracement, higher retracement, higher retracement. And again, we're edging higher this morning, but I just cannot see the traction in any real recovery on sterling at the moment. 128 figure, yesterday's high, becomes initial resistance, and then 128.50, a basis of resistance. 128.40 to 28.50 has capped the upside in the recent sort of week or so. So yeah, any sort of rallies are getting sold into on sterling at the moment. There's no real traction upside, but there is sort of still a gravitation towards 126.60. Breakdown of that, 125.85 comes into play, that old low from 2017. So I wish you good luck in your trade today, and I'll speak to you later.